Welcome to Gartex Texprocess India 2026 premier platform for garment and textile manufacturing excellence. Across the complete garmenting, apparel tech, and manufacturing value chain,
the experience here was amazing. We talked to a lot of people. It was amazing to talk to them. The environment is good. There's a lot of leading tech going around in this industry.
Mumbai edition accelerated the future of India's garment manufacturing landscape.
The show has been really good. I think we've been getting some good inquiries and we're hoping to close a few machines and the interactions have been good with the customers. Overall, I think it's a nice experience.
Driving dialogues on the next era of garment and textile production. Powered by the support of India's textile and apparel ecosystem. And this is just the beginning. See you at the next edition.